Hi, my name's Rob. I wanted to take a moment and tell you about my experience with Beck on an appliance repair. We had a washing machine go down at the worst possible time. Company was in town. It was a mess. Called him. Within 30 minutes, he was at the house. Clean, trustworthy, very forthright in what needed to be done. Didn't have the part, but was able to go get the part back that afternoon and had us up and running the same day. Can't speak highly enough about this guy. He does a great job at a fair price, and I would highly recommend you give him a shot. Thank you.